You are certainly familiar with the term black money. Many people in our country evade income tax either by not filing mandatory tax returns or by misrepresenting their income during filing, showing lower income than they actually earn, or making false deduction claims. And then there are few who also hide their assets to show lower wealth and avoid paying the appropriate income tax. This kind of evasion is considered black money. We often hear about such individuals on news channels. However, if you choose to follow all the legal rules and regulations and pay your income tax honestly, you can definitely save on income tax legally. Please note that there is a significant difference between saving income tax and evading it. One is within the boundaries of law, while the other one is not. Hello, I am Abhijan and I welcome you to our English YouTube channel Freedom App. And in today's video, I will explain how you can save on income tax absolutely legally. To regularly receive such information, subscribe to our English YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon. So today's topic is how you can save your income tax legally. Please watch the video until the end, and if you are short on time, you can watch it at 1.5x speed. If you want to learn more about this scheme or get various tips related to different schemes, you can find details on the Freedom App's website and application for the tax planning course Save Taxes Legally, which is available in English and Hindi both. And the minimum course subscription fee is $5.99. Let's begin. In the Income Tax Act, there are several sections through which you can save your taxes. Let's see what those are. Section 80C. In our previous videos, we discussed various schemes under this section and mentioned that you can get a tax exemption of up to 1.5 lakhs rupees. Now let's discuss this section in detail. If you invest in schemes such as NPA, CPF, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, PPF, Tax Savings Fund, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, National Savings Certificate, ULIP, or other similar investment options, you can avail tax exemption of up to 1.5 lakhs. For instance, if you are using a life insurance policy and paying premiums, that amount will also be tax-free. And additionally, your maturity amount will be exempted from taxes up to 1.5 lakhs rupees. Moreover, if you admit your child to a private school, the tuition fees paid there will also be eligible for tax exemption under this section. Go to the next one. Section 80CCD. Well, Section 80CCD is a subsection of Section 80C. Those who have invested in the National Pension Scheme can avail an additional tax exemption of up to 50,000 rupees under Section 80CCD. It means if you have already saved taxes up to 1.5 lakhs under Section 80C, by investing in NPS, you can save an extra 50,000 rupees. So in total, you can save taxes up to 2 lakhs rupees. Under Section 80CCD1, well, if you are a salaried employee, you can claim a deduction of up to 10% of your salary. And if you are self-employed, you can claim a deduction of up to 20% of your annual income. Please note that the tax deduction of 50,000 rupees is applicable only for investments made in NPS Tier 1, not in Tier 2. Section 80D. If you have any medical insurance, whether you are a salaried employee or self-employed, under this section, you can get a tax exemption on your income of up to 25,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Many refer to medical insurance as Mediclaim. Whatever premium amount you have paid for your medical insurance or Mediclaim within a specific financial year, you can claim the entire amount as deduction. Well, not only that, but you can also claim deductions on the premium amount paid for your spouse and dependent children. Similarly, if you have paid the premium amount for your parents, you can claim an additional deduction of 25,000 rupees if their age is below 60 years. And if their age is above 60 years, instead of 25,000, you can claim a deduction of 50,000 rupees. Now let's assume that both you and your parents are above 60 years of age. Then what you can do is you can claim a total deduction of 1 lakh rupees under Section 80D. Now please note that you can also claim an additional 5,000 rupees for a preventive health checkup each year. Section 24. If you have taken a home loan, you can get a tax exemption on it also. Suppose you have taken a home loan and currently paying interest on that loan every year or every month, which means your loan is right now active. Well, in that case, you can get a tax exemption of up to 2 lakhs rupees under this section. HRA. HRA stands for House Rent Allowance, and it is available only to those who are employed, whether in the government or private sector. If you are employed and live in a rented house, you can get a tax exemption on HRA. The amount of HRA that you will receive depends on your rent and your salary scale, and it determines how much tax exemption you will get. Additionally, there is another income tax section that may be useful for you, which is known as Section 80GG. This section can help individuals who don't receive HRA from their employer. Under Section 80GG, you can claim a tax exemption on rent paid up to 60,000 rupees per year. Section 80DDB. In this section, certain specified diseases are mentioned for which every individual can claim a deduction on medical expenses needed for your treatment. If someone is suffering from any of those diseases, they can claim a deduction on medical expenses ranging from 40,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If the age of the individual or any family member being treated under this section is below 60 years, then a deduction of up to 40,000 rupees can be claimed. Well, however, if the age exceeds 60 years, then the deduction can go up to 1 lakh rupees. It is important to note that the treatment has to be taken from a government hospital or a full-time practicing doctor, and proper prescriptions as evidence will be required. Section 80E. This section is related to educational loans. If you have taken an educational loan for your child's higher education, then the entire interest amount paid on that loan can be claimed as a deduction under this section. So you can get a full tax exemption on the interest amount you pay each year for the educational loan. I hope you have found this information helpful. If you wish to explore more videos and stay updated with new tax saving techniques, you can download the Freedom app, which is India's #1 livelihood app, and get this topic related course, Tax Planning Course Save Taxes Legally, which is available both in English and Hindi. So the course subscription is available for a minimum price of 599 rupees. If you have any specific queries related to today's discussion on how to save taxes, please feel free to comment and ask your questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the English YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming videos and secure your financial future. Stay healthy and take care, and see you in the next video. Thank you.